Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So first, classification of barbiturates. Okay, barbiturates are long-acting drugs. They have a half-life. The half-life of barbiturates is almost equal to 100 hours. So longer-acting barbiturates are we have phenobarbital. Then we have short-acting barbiturates with half-life of around 30 to 50 hours, and these short-acting barbiturates are pentobarbital, butobarbital. Then we have amobarbital, secobarbital, and we have mifebarbital. So these are the drugs which are used. Short acting barbiturates. Then we also have ultra short acting barbiturates. Ultra short acting barbiturates will have a half life of around 5 to 10 hours. So these ultra short acting barbiturates are actually thiopentone sodium and methohexitol are the ultra short acting barbiturates.
thank you and thank you for watching.